Port of Jacksonville is Florida's busiest container terminal and the gateway to Puerto Rico. Nearly all of Puerto Rico's U.S. domestic cargo comes through Jacksonville, and Saltchuk companies are a primary bridge. TOTE Maritime Puerto Rico provides round-trip shipping service to the island and has changed the industry as we know it. TOTE Maritime Puerto Rico's two new LNG-powered vessels, the first of their kind in the world, are built specifically to support the Puerto Rico trade.
These weren't investments that we were doing for the next 2 to 3 years. These investments we're looking at for the next 30 years. So the commitment is back to the people of Puerto Rico, that we're here for the long term to support them and to support the island as well.
TOTE and the U.S.-built Marlin-class ships have helped lead the domestic shipping industry toward cleaner fuels. In addition to their positive impact on the environment, the new vessels can carry about double what the previous ships transported. As a result, TOTE Maritime Puerto Rico had to change the terminal's entire infrastructure here, investments that had made the Port of Jacksonville one of the most technologically advanced ports in the country and significantly improved the flow of cargo.
I've worked here for 18 years, so I've been here since it was Sea Barge, then it was Sea Star. And to see it come from barges to ships to new ships, LNG, I mean, it's pretty neat. I mean, you have to sit back and really soak it all in sometimes.
Each week, hundreds of trucks, including those from sister company Shoreside Logistics, deliver containers to Jacksport bound for Puerto Rico. Shoreside is a one-stop shop for transportation and logistics, providing warehousing, consolidation, intermodal and drayage services in the southeast.
What we do for TOTE, it makes their work seamless. We're their logistics arm of transportation. TOTE Maritime handles the marine portion, and we handle the inland portion.
For employees, the nearly 2-year preparation for the new ships was worth the wait.
I have never thought in my career that I would be captain of a brand new vessel, and it's just amazing. It's just an honor to be a part of this.
It's an engineer's dream, really.
This is huge for the industry from the perspective of being a totally new fuel on the marine side, and the environmental benefits and emissions reductions that we're able to achieve and demonstrate in service on a large vessel has never been done before.
About 1,200 miles away at the Port of San Juan, the new vessels dock twice a week, where similar upgrades to the Port of Jacksonville were made here to accommodate the new LNG ships. Puerto Rico relies on TOTE Maritime to deliver raw materials for the island's manufacturing industry, as well as groceries, including the majority of the island's refrigerated goods.
If we take into consideration that from the farm to the table, it takes about 4 days to complete that cycle, that is a very, very significant accelerated supply chain in comparison to many other places.
Reliable service is critical to this wholesale produce company that has depended on TOTE Maritime Puerto Rico for decades to carry fresh fruit, vegetables, and eggs from the mainland.
First of all, it drives sales because in this category you need that fresh appeal in order for our clients and supermarkets to get that spark that they need from the freshness of the product. We use TOTE Maritime because they have the experience with a time-sensitive cargo like ours.
And when customers need even faster cargo delivery, they can call on another member of the Saltchuk family of companies, StratAir. The air cargo company based in Miami moves time-sensitive cargo, including fish and pharmaceuticals, to and from Puerto Rico, the Caribbean and South America, sometimes connecting with flights to Asia or Europe. Being part of a larger family of companies is already paying off. A Northern Air cargo plane has joined the fleet, allowing StratAir to increase its number of flights and expand service to new islands.
The joining of the Saltchuk family together takes us to a new level, and then on the financial side, as well as all the different companies that we can draw upon to grow the business and make a network in the transportation industry, something really special here.
Saltchuk companies have served Puerto Rico for more than 30 years and continue to raise the industry bar. making investments in the community, and living Saltchuk's values, safety, reliability, commitment, have set the standard for quality customer service. Now the new LNG vessels lead the shipping industry with an environmental commitment, a commitment that will set Saltchuk companies apart, not just in the region, but in the industry's global market for decades to come.